I have a mixed load of plates here. I'm going to load in this. That's why I kept the tines open. So these are melamine plates, and all these plates are lunch and tiffin plates, which we don't leave it as it is after eating. We just rinse it and leave it before loading in the dishwasher. And these are the wider lunch thalis. So because they are wider, I'm going to increase the tine width to adjust this. So I'll increase the tine width to accommodate these wider thalis. All these plates may look clean, but they were all kept soaked in water for loading in the dishwasher. So I have all these cups and plates and other things in this, which I'm going to place in the upper rack now. There's one plate, I'll keep it here. And you can see the narrow and wider tines. I'm leaving the narrow tines as it is, and the wider tine will be open. So I'll get started with placing the plates first. Since I have lot of cups here, I'm going to remove the side cup racks on both the sides so that I get more place for the cups. So after placing all these cups and glasses and everything, I'm going to place a few glassware on the place where the narrow tines are there. I'm not going to open it. So I'll place these glasswares there. Now you can see this after placing these glasswares. So this is a carafe which is totally stained. I made tea in this, and a few more other things on the upper rack which completes the placement. I've got here lot of ladles and spoons and knives. I'm going to place them in the cutlery basket, which I can place it on these open tines itself. I've mentioned about this in my video when I explained about the tines. I'm going to open this basket because there are plenty of spoons and ladles. So once I load everything, I'll place it on the tines. I have some more space here, so I'm filling it with a few more dishes. So by rotating the upper spray arm, I'll check whether these spoons and ladles are touching the spray arm. So now I've pushed the lower rack inside, and once again I'm checking the rotating the spray arm to check if there is any obstruction. Because I've loaded the machine fully, I'm going to use a tablet, and in this machine the tablet is placed at the floor. Now I switch on the machine. You can see 1 hour 20 minutes on the display, which is the earlier program which I used, that is a turbo. Now the load which I loaded is light to moderately soiled, for which I feel delicate will be suitable. By default delicate comes with steam, but I'm not going to opt for steam option. I'm just going to use the delicate program, which is 2 hours 4 minutes, and 214 for steam. I'm not going to use the additional option, and the cycle is 55 degrees cycle. Now the program has ended and I have opened it within few minutes. You can see that all the plates in the lower rack are totally cleaned and are shining. Little bit of water is seen because I opened it very soon, immediately, and all the other dishes are also cleaned very well. In the upper rack too, you can see that all the cups, glasses, plastic lids, the tea stained carafe, ceramic mugs, all are thoroughly cleaned and shiny. All the glassware is sparklingly clean. So overall, this program has given 100% cleaning results for this light to moderately soiled dishes.